everything about time. Can you help me kindly, Miss Reem? It's so easy. Listen, we can play with Assisni about this lesson. Let's attention. Firstly, you need to learn more than things about time. The first things, the units, how to convert the units together to each other, and here how to make subtraction or addition about time, and then how to solve the questions about elapsed time. I know you studied this before in primary 3. Just let's revise together. Firstly, how many weeks per month? How many weeks per month? Yes, of course, it will be 4 weeks per month. 4 weeks per month approximately. So 4 week per month, 4 week per month. Repeat with me. 4 week per month. Now let's help assess me. You have how many day per week? How many day per week? 7 days per week. 7 days per week. So I have 7 days per week. Okay, then how many hours per day? We have 24 hours per day. Repeat after me. 24 hours per day. 24 hours per day. So by 24. And now, what about how many minutes per hour? I have 60 minutes per hour. Repeat after me. 60 minutes per hour. 60 minutes per hour. Okay, great job. 60. And then, can you say this song alone? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. We have 60 seconds per minute. 60 seconds per minute. Okay. Then I make it here by 60. When you come from the greatest to the smallest, the greatest come to hit the smallest. So the greatest come to make times to the smallest. When you jump it between this here by 4, by 5, by 24, and so on. If you needed to jump it more than a step, so make more than times. Okay, and when you going from down to up, the opposite of times, it will be divided. Let's make it together the same number. Divided 60, divided 60, 24, 7, 4. Okay, this is the units. Let's solve two ideas about this one. Now I need to help our friend about convert from 3 week to day. Firstly, you need to know two things. You need to know the first things it will be times or divided. The second things you need to know the number that you need to make it times or divided the number. Let's help assist me about that one. We have 3 weeks. I need to convert to be day. I need to convert this to be day. Let's look at here. We go up. Just wait a minute. Come to me. I have week, need to convert to be day. Come here. Weekday. To convert from week to day, I make it times because this is the greatest to the smallest. And the station here have 7. So I make it by 7. Come up here and put it by 7. And then 3 by 7 will be 21. And this is become our answer. Let's solve another idea about this one. I have now 50 hour. How many days in this and how many hour also? Let's revise this together. Firstly, to make this divided, you don't take more about divided until now. So I just divided this. After asking myself, I need to ask myself how many hours per day. I find it 24. So come here and write 24. This is the first. And then extra 24. Okay. Now you can add it in your mind 24 plus 24. 24 plus 24, it's become 48. Great job. So 48, I need to count after 48 to reach to 50. After 48, 49, 50. So I have extra 2 hour. So come here and write extra 2 hour. So right now let's color together. Let's color the completely day. I have this is the first day and this is the second day. So I have 2 days. So this is the answer. 2 days. What about the remainder? اتبقى معي كم يوم? I have 2 as a remainder. So come with 2 and put it here as the remainder of this hour. Okay? This is the second idea. What about the third idea about making addition or subtraction to the time? Firstly, before making addition or subtraction, I need you to know something. Just attention. Before making addition and subtraction, I need you to know something here. Let's revise it. You already take this in primary 3. Just revise with me. Let's take another color. Okay, 1 hour, how many minutes? We said 60 minutes per hour, 60 minutes per hour. So write 60. 60. Okay, now we have 2 hour, how many minutes? The first 60 and the second 60. And when we added this together, 60 plus 60, 120. Yes, it's clear? I hope that. Then, right now I have this minute I need to convert to be hour, but I have a problem. I'm already have 60 here. I can cancel this 60 and say this 60 it's look like 1 hour. So cancel 60 and say it, yes, you will be 0, 0, and I will take you as 1 hour and I put it here with which one? Which 2 hour? Put it here to be 3 hour. To be 3 hour. So right now 2 and 60 will equal 3 hour. How come, Miss Reem, you make this operation? Just attention. I will repeat it. I can take this 60 as 1 hour in my mind and put it in on 2, increase 2 to become 2, 3 hour. Okay? We know up you have 1 hour equals 60 minutes also. تمام. Then I can write here it's equal 3 hour. Okay? So let's look to this exercise also. I have 2 hour. I can write the first hour like 1 hour. And the second hour, I can cancel this 2 and write it 60 minutes also. He need that in the question, Miss Reem? No, I just play with you. هو مش عايز ان انا اعمل كده، بس انا بلعب معاكوا بس. انا خدت 1 hour من هنا وحطيتها هنا، بس لما حطيتها هنا I put it here, I put it as 60 minutes. Okay? So when I take 1 from hour, I put it here as 60 minutes. By addition, add 60 to the minute. And when I take 60 from minute, I make subtraction and put it 1 hour in increase 1 hour in hour. Okay? So you know this operation before in primary 3. Right now, let's solve. Let's learn how to make addition and subtraction in the time. Okay. The first question. I have a minute. Before you make it addition, come assistni to help me. Okay. Ask it assistni, it's fair or not fair to make this addition? Assistni, tell me, I have hour here and here minute, but here I have minute and I don't have hour. So kindly put hour to be fair to make this addition. So I put hour as a 0, okay? And then after that, I have 7 plus 2 become 9. Make it, 7 minus 2 become 5. And then this become what? 0 minus 4 can't make this operation. And I come to assist me how to fix it, this problem. I have a problem. I can't make this subtraction. And assist me tell me it's so easy. I need to increase this number. But firstly, I will put 1 from this. But attention, this one, it's not easy to take just 1 to be 10. يبقى أنا هنا مش هستلف السلف العادي، مش هاخد 1 وأخلي دي 10. أمال أنا هعمل إيه؟ ركز مع بعض معي. I will take just 1 from here and this one it will look like 1 hour, it look like 60 minutes. 60 minutes and cancel this to be 2. Why 2 assistni? Because I put a 1 from it. Okay? So now I take 60, but I have extra 7 here. That's okay? Attention again. I have 3 hour. 3 hour, I put it 2 hour from this. And I have just hour extra. يبقى الhour التالتة راحت فين؟ I put it as 60 minutes. Okay? But I have now extra 7 minutes here. So I write this as 2 and added 60 with 7 becomes 67. Right now I fixed this problem with my question mark and with my assistant here. How come I put a 1 from here to be 60 and then added this together to become like this? Now I can make this subtraction. Let's make it together. It's so easy about making this right now. Buy another pen. Let's look for this one. 7 minus 2 become 5. 6 minus 4 become 2. And then 2 minus 0 become 2. And this is our hour. This is our hours. And this is our minutes. So I fixed this problem about 2 things. Firstly, I make it fair between numbers to make subtraction. The second things, I put a 1 from hour. Okay, but this one, it's look like 60 minutes. That's okay? Let's solve another question about addition. About addition. I take 7 with 7 because this is fair. 2 digits, 1 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit. So it's fair to make this one. So come to me here. I have 7 with 5 become 12. So I put 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 4 equal 6. And then 6 plus 2 equal 8. Right now, this is our answer. It's true or false? Yes, it's true. But I have here something I can make it simplify. يعني أقدر أبسطها عن كده. I find we have here 60. Yes, I have 60 and I can cancel this 60 and put it here. It's look like 1 hour. Okay, I can make this operation. Come to me, cancel 60 and write just 2 and jump it with this 60 here to become extra 1 hour to become 9 hours. So this is correct answer and this is also correct answer after simplify. And this is the second idea in our session today. about subtraction. What about elapsed time? This is the third idea about our lesson today. Let's revise this. We took this also in primary 3. Elapsed time. This is so easy. If you have math session in you start in math session you start your math session in 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. And then you take during this session 2 hours. During this session يعني السيشن دي استمرت لمدة 2 hours. So I have 2 hours. Okay? So the time will be now. Which time? I started 1 and take 2 as during the session. خلال السيشن دي درسنا لمدة ساعتين. السيشن دي هتنتهي امتى؟ يبقى 1 plus 2 equal 3. يبقى هنخلص السيشن 3 o'clock. This is easy idea. Repeat it again. By another example. Let's take a copy for elapsed time. Let's take another. Let's take another example and try to answer this alone. Okay? Start our PE session at 7 o'clock. And our PE session just take 1 hour. That's okay. And then finish my session. Which time? Which time I finish our session? Yeah, I take this period here and then 7 hour. Take extra 1 hour. It's become, yes, tell me. Yeah, it's true. It become 8 because 7 plus 1 will be 8. Let's take another easy exercise. Right now I have start. Let's solve this with, okay, I have session, okay, math session, but I don't know which time I started this session. And this session take just 1 hour. That's okay. And when I finish this session, I find it finished at 9 o'clock. So which time I started this session? Which time? I will take 1 hour, then become 9. So before 9 by 1 hour become what? Tell me. That's good. It's 8 because 9 minus 1 become 9 minus 1. Thanks, my friends. Okay, 9 minus 1 become 8. The same things. We will take elapsed time on starting and during and end, but by hour and minute. هناخده بالhour والminute. Let's take another exercise. I have start our session at 1 o'clock, 1 past 1. And then our math session just take 30 minutes. Okay, right now I will end our session in which time? Yes, I will add it. 5 plus 0 will be 5. And then 1 plus 3 equal 4. Okay, and 1 plus 0 equal 1. So, can you read this time? Yes, when you make it here, you find it's 1 and here. So we can read this time as 1 and 45, or we can read this quarter. quarter to 2 because we have just a quarter hour to complete it 2 o'clock. Okay? Let's solve another exercise. We have more exercise up. Let's solve this exercise on page 48. On this page, a worker ant went out to find a food colony. Okay. تمام. هترجم معناها بالعربي عشان تبقوا فاهميني. A worker ant عندي نملة تشتغل يعني مش ملكة النمل يعني بتشتغل to find the food. went out بتطلع برا الحفرة بتاعتها to find the food عشان تلاقي أكلها. the colony okay برا الحفرة بتاعتها. it left at كذا يعني كأنها بتطلع للشغل بتاعها at كذا. left هي بتغادر الحفرة at كذا يبقى ده ال start time. start at 6:30 okay AM and then returned at كذا. returned at كذا يبقى رجعت يبقى دي في نهاية شغلها end 7:42 okay and then during the work يعني خلال شغلها هي اشتغلت وقت قد ايه؟ احنا قلنا الاوبريشن ما بينهم بلس و equal صح؟ بلس و equal تمام. طيب خلينا نشوف الكلام ده. 0 plus what equal to 0 plus what become 2 0 plus 2 3 plus what equal 4 3 plus 1 and then let's look for this hour 6 plus what becomes 7 6 plus 1 let's revise 0 plus 2 equal 2 3 plus 1 equal 4 6 plus 1 equal 7 so this is the period that the ant take during the work يبقى ده الوقت اللي النملة بتاخده لحد ما تشتغل تمام. ونقدر نحل دي بطريقة تانية 7:42 minus 6:30 become 12 and here and make it subtraction. Okay, let's solve another exercise. Sarah has worked on her sewing project. طيب تمام سارة بتشتغل في مشروع خياطة بتاعها بتشتغل 45 minutes. problem solving if you have a problem in this exercise you can draw it okay so in this project هي بتشتغل يعني أنا لو عندي مشكلة في السؤال ده في الأسئلة اللي بالشكل ده أرسم الأول like to imagine عشان نتخيل المشكلة اللي عندي. he worked she worked 45 minutes each night. كل يوم بالليل بتشتغل 45 minutes so in the first night 45 minutes in 4 nights في 4 أيام بالليل هي تشتغل يبقى 45 she plans to spend 4 hours on her project. تمام she plans يعني هي خططت إن هي تشتغل 4 hours تمام فهنكتب 4 hours هي عايزة كل المدة اللي تشتغلها في الأسبوع 4 hours. طب أنا عدى منهم 4 أيام يبقى أنا بقيلي 3 أيام في الأسبوع. نكمل السؤال زي ما قلت لكم احنا هنقف 4 كلمات ونقف نفهمهم 4 كلمات ونقف نفهمهم بعد كده نكمل during 1 week خلال ال 1 week هي عايزة تشتغل for hour بس. How much more times does she needs to spend? How much more times إيه الوقت الزيادة اللي هي محتاجة تشتغله spend on her project اللي تقضيه أو تشتغله على المشروع بتاعها. إيه الوقت ده؟ خلينا نشوف. أول حاجة لازم أعرف هي كانت الأول بتشتغل إزاي وقررت بعد كده تعمل إيه. كانت الأول دي البلان بتاعتها، البلان التانية بقت دي. فخلينا نشتغل السؤال بطريقتين على جزئيتين. الجزئية الأولى after plan make it before plans، يعني قبل الخطة بتاعتها هي كانت هتشتغل كام؟ هتشتغل ده كله 45 45 45 45 plus 45 become 90 45 plus 45 90 90 with 90 make it addition 9 with 9 18 and put 0. يبقى أنا I added all of this، يبقى دي before plan. تمام؟ هجمع ده كله become كام؟ become I don't have a space here but you can write it 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45 equal 90 90 كام؟ 90 minutes. ده كان قبل ما تخطط لمشروعها. طيب ده before. طب after بقى after plans بعد ما خططت هي بقت واضحة جدا، قالت I will work it for hour. هي عايزة تشتغل for hour. That's okay. يبقى I need to convert 4 hour to be minutes. I need to convert 4 hour to be minutes. وأنا عارف من اللي شرحناه فوق إن convert from hour to minutes I make it times 60. So I take 4 by 60 become, yes, it's become 200. It's become 240. يبقى الأول هي كانت بتشتغل، احنا كتبنا دي 90 المفروض 180 قلنا، المفروض كانت بتشتغل 180 غيرت كلامها وعايزة تشتغل 240. تفتكروا هي محتاجة تزود وقت قد ايه في شغلها؟ لو كانت تشتغل 100 وبقت بتشتغل عايزة تشتغل 200 يبقى محتاجة تزود كام؟ 100. هنعمل لهم ماينس. So what about the extra time؟ ايه الوقت الزيادة اللي هي عايزة تشتغله؟ extra time he need to work it become 240. أشيل منهم 180 اللي هي معتادة إنها تشتغلهم and make it difference between this one 0 minus 0 0 and then 4 minus 8 can't be. This is become 14. 14 minus 8 become, tell me, yes, it's become 6. And then I put a 1 from this to be 1 and this 14. So the answer 60 minutes. يبقى هي محتاجة تزود شغلها 60 minutes بس عشان تحقق البلان الخطة اللي هي حطتها لنفسها. Another question. Worker ant take 240 naps a day. يعني النملة العاملة بتاخد 24 naps a day، يعني قيلولة، بتنام شوية زي ما بتناموا بعد المدرسة كده، بتنام شوية صغيرين كل يوم. تاخد كام قيلولة بقى؟ 240. قال لك ايه؟ لو دي الناب الواحدة 1 nap، مدة الناب بتاعتها ايه اللي بتغمض فيها عينيها، حاجة بسيطة. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. تمام. each nap lasts last هنا معناها تستمر أو تدوم، يبقى القيلولة دي بتدوم الواحدة. each nap يعني one nap بتاخد وقت قد ايه؟ 2 minutes. about how many hours did naps take. طيب أنا مش هبص لنص السؤال الأخير اللي هو عايزه، أنا بس عايزة أعرف قد ايه minute هي بتنامها. لو النملة دي بتنام 240، تمام، فأنا هقول 240. نمسح ده. هي بتنام قد ايه؟ 240. قال كل ناب تعمل ايه؟ بتاخد لها دقيقتين. يبقى يا اما هاخد 240 عشان اعرف المينتس كلها كام واعمل لها باي 2، وممكن تكون دي صعبة عليكم، بس احنا اوريدي عارفين ان التايم the meaning of repeated، يبقى 240 by 2 this is like 240 plus 240. يبقى انا كده هعرف هي كل المينتس اللي بتنامها وقت قد ايه. هاجي هنا 240 plus 240 هنا minute وهنا minute، so become 0 plus 0 0 4 plus 4 8 2 plus 2 4 minute. That's okay. This is all the time that the worker ant naps. يبقى ده كل الوقت اللي النملة بتنامها. تمام. about how many hour. الوقت اللي أنا طلعته ده بقى أنا محتاجة أحوله converted to be hour. تمام. Let's revise from hour to minute. I'm already have 60 minutes per hour. So when you're going from minute to hour, you make it divided 60. So right now, I need to cancel this 200, this minute, and make it divided by 60 to become hour. تمام؟ مش احنا قلنا to convert لازم اعرف حاجتين. الحاجة الأولى timed ولا divided؟ أنا عرفت إنها divided عشان من الصغير للكبير. والرقم كام؟ الرقم 60، فأنا هعمل كده. يبقى هلغي المينت وأخليها hour by making divided 60. Right now make 480 divided 60. Let's solve this together. I have 0 cancel 0. 48 divided 6. It's become 8. And this is just 8 hour. يبقى كل الوقت اللي بتنامه النملة 8 hour. تمام. وقال لي how many hours did the nap take. يبقى نقول nap time become equal all of this. What about question number 1? Question number 1 it's so easy. Lara and Nancy have 5 hours. كل اللي عندهم 5 hours to watch 3 movies. عشان يتفرجوا على 3 أفلام. That the first hour تاخد وقت قد كده. Second hour like this. And third hour like this. تمام. Firstly, when you know 3 hours, 3 films will take 3 movies will take how many times? We need firstly to make it addition to all of this before completed the question. I have 1 hour and 22 minutes and 2 hour 12 minutes. And then the third one, it's 1 hour and 57 minutes. And right now, I did all of this together. And then, let's add with me. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5 4 plus 5 9. And then 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. So right now I have 4 hours and 91 minutes. I think you don't forget right now 91 minutes. I can take 60 from here to put it here. Let's make this operation together. I cancel 30. I cancel 90. Take 60 from it. So the remainder become 31. Where is 60? You take this 60. I put it here to become 1 hour extra. So become 5 hours. So right now I have 5 hours and 31 minutes after making simplify. يبقى تاني أنا خدت 60 minutes وقلت 60 minutes هنا وديتهم على الأور وديتهم على الأور وزودتها 1. يبقى الأور زادت 1. ليه؟ خدت 60 من 90. طب لما 90 أشيل منها 60 يتبقى لي كام؟ يتبقى لي 30 ومعايا 1 يبقى 31. يبقى ده كل الوقت اللي هم محتاجينه عشان يتفرجوا على الموفيز. طيب لاحظوا كده أنا معايا 5 hour وزيادة 5 hour وزيادة و31 minutes. بس هم مش معاهم وقت غير ايه؟ مش معاهم وقت غير 5 hour. فأقول الوقت ده more than 5 hour. أنا مش معايا وقت غير 5 hour. يبقى أنا هقدر أتفرج على الفيلم ده. الأفلام هتاخد وقت أزيد من الوقت المسموح لي. يبقى no can't ما يقدروش. ليه ما يقدروش؟ ممكن أقولها 3 movies need. ممكن نكتب كده 3 movies need. الثلاث أفلام هيحتاجوا 5 and 30 وهم مسموح لهم ب 5 hour only. نقرأ كده السؤال. بقية السؤال بيقول ايه؟ Do girls have enough time؟ هل هم عندهم وقت كافي to watch 3 movies؟ انهم يشوفوا 3 movies؟ هم مش معاهم غير 5 hours. يبقى no can't. لأن هقراها لكم تاني no can't. ليه؟ السبب 3 movies need بيحتاجوا 5 and 30 و 5 and 30 هي more than 5 hours. أتمنى يكون يكون not movies. I hope you understand everything we said in this video. See you later إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم.